Welcome back to my sweet shop, everybody. I'm so glad that you're here today because we are about to start learning all about the fruits of the Spirit. Do you know what the fruits of the Spirit are? No, the fruits of the Spirit aren't real fruit. The fruits of the Spirit are love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. The fruits of the Spirit are things that we can see in our lives that show the character of God. And when we're walking with God and filled with the Holy Spirit, these things begin to grow in our lives. Today, we're going to be learning all about love, joy, and peace. Would you like to learn about these fruits of the Spirit with me? Good. We're going to start today by learning about love. Are you ready? Let's do it. Let's talk about love. Did you know that we were made by God to love God and to love others? So we should share God's love with others. Let's play a love memory match game today. So we have all of these memory cards here, and we have cupcakes, chocolate boxes, donuts, chocolate. We have so many fun things. So what we're going to do is we are going to lay all of these down face down, and then we're going to play a game together. Let's get ready. Now that we've got them all on the ground, let's start to match these cards. Ready? Here we go. Okay, macaroon and a heart. Oh, not a match. Here we go. Little truffles and a cupcake. Not a match. Let's try again. A cupcake and a heart. Not a match. Let's try again. Chocolate and chocolate. It's a match. Great job. Here we go. Truffles. Oh, I remember those. Truffles. Good job, everyone. Here we go. Our little heart donut. And a heart donut. Okay, let's see what this one is. A macaroon and a cupcake. Not a match. Cupcake and a cupcake. Good job. Wow, you guys are really good at this. Let's keep going. A macaroon. I remember, I think it was here. And a macaroon. So that means our hearts are the last two. Good job, you did it. Thanks so much for playing that game with me. Don't forget, we can love because God loved us first. Are you ready to start learning about joy? Me too. Let's do our activity now. Let's learn about joy. Joy is a God-given gladness that doesn't change even if our life is really tough. It's easy to be happy when things are going our way, but when things get tough, we need God's help to have joy. So we're going to make a joyful noisemaker today to help us remember that when we're really having a hard time and we need to learn to be joyful, that we can ask God for help. So whenever you use your joyful noisemaker, we can remember that. So here's what we're going to need to make our joyful noisemaker. First, we need 2 cups. We need something to decorate the cups with. I'm going to use stickers. And we need tape and something to go in our cups to make noise. I had rice, but you can use beans or beads or anything that your parent says is okay to use. So, here we go. First, we're going to take our cups and we are going to put rice into one of them, just like this. Now, we're going to take our tape and we're going to tape the 2 cups together. There we go. I'm going to put this one on top of here. And then we're going to tape them together so none of our rice gets out. There we go. Now you can test it and see if it makes noise. It does. It makes noise. Now we can decorate it however we want to. Maybe you have some stickers at your house, or you might have some crayons or markers. You can decorate it however you want. I'm going to put some little stickers on mine. And whenever we need to remember to ask God for joy, we can use our joy maker. I'm so glad that we got to make our joyful noise maker together today. Don't forget, we can be filled with joy when we spend time with God. Are you ready to do our peace activity together? Me too. Let's go. Let's learn about peace. Peace is freedom from being afraid or worried of what's going to happen in our life because we know God is in control. So we are going to do a little compare and contrast science experiment today to see which noises we think are the most peaceful. Okay, so the first two that we're going to try out, I think the bells and sprinkles. Okay, let's see which one we think is the most peaceful. Which one do you think is the most peaceful? I think this one too. Let's try another one. Ooh, let's try these. And these. Which one do you think is the most peaceful? I definitely think these too. Now let's try our drum. And this drum. Which is the most peaceful? Definitely this one. Let's try this one. And this one. Still this one. Thanks for playing with me. That was so much fun. Don't forget, we can ask God to give us peace when we're feeling overwhelmed or afraid. I'll see you guys next week when we learn about more fruits of the Spirit. Bye! Thanks for watching. Now let's explore God's sweet world together. For more fun, ask a grown-up to subscribe.